Hello everyone, my name is Murungi Morris from Tricksoft Technologies Limited, and today I'm going to take you through SaveNet financial management solution. SaveNet is a system which we develop to help money lenders, village saving groups, people who are running SACCOs. If in case you're running your business and you're still using paperwork, then this is the video for you. So SaveNet has different features which help you to manage your business. For example, we have member management, where you capture all the records about this member. When a client comes to you, you capture the first name, the last name, the NIN number, and also the TIN number if it is present. Also, the next of kin is also important when you're capturing a member. Now, when you have all the biodata that talks about this member, it is very easy now to proceed and give out a loan, to proceed and allow this member to save with you. So if you do not have a system in place, you'll find yourself managing all these records using papers. And at times it becomes very tedious. At times you make mistakes. At times even the papers can even get lost. So you find yourself doing a lot of work that is actually not even part of your business, but you're trying to rectify some of the mistakes which always come with doing manual records. In SaveNet, apart from member management, we also have loans management. As a SACCO, as a money lending institution, you have different loan products, and these products always have different interests, different days when a loan is supposed to take. So you find yourself managing them, it becomes a little bit hard. Sometimes you can even make mistakes. We have scenarios where a client comes to you and you have to give them a discount. Maybe this client has come, you give them on 15%, another client comes 20%. So loans management in SaveNet is very easy, that we allow you to register different loan products, so that when these customers come and you're giving them loans, you just have to select from what you already registered. In scenarios where maybe you're doing an approval process, because we also have the appraisal process for a loan. So after application and you do the appraisal, capturing the guarantor details and then also the security details, we have provisions where you can you can be able to change these fields. For example, the interest rate, it can change at the time of approval. Maybe instead of 15%, you give someone 10%. Exactly what you have been doing in your normal ways of operation is what we mimic on the system. So you do not deviate away from how you have been operating. It is exactly the same process, but this time round, you're using a computer or a laptop or a phone to be able to do this. Then we also have other features. Still with loan management, the system can also help you to understand which are the loans which are performing, which are the loans which are non-performing, the people who are in arrears. The system can be able to highlight for you all these members. Instead of wasting a lot of time on a member when you are giving out a loan, you can even be able to determine or understand the patterns on how this member has been saving with you, on how this member has been making payments, so that you don't risk a lot of money on such a member who is having patterns or behavior where he's a known defaulter, someone who is not good at paying. The system can be able to help you to identify those patterns and be able to understand whether this person is worth getting my money or not. Other features which we also have shares management. For this one applies to people who are especially operating SACCOs. You have a SACCO, it has maybe a capitalization of 400 million, and members always come and buy shares within your institution. Then SaveNet is a system which you'll need, because we manage for you the shares. We make sure that we allocate the exact member share capital for a member. When the member comes and they make a payment for a share, maybe they are buying shares within your system. If they make a payment using mobile money or USSD, that payment will be recorded automatically. So you are able to know how much member share capital you have within your business and how much is left that you have not yet sold out. Then we also have expenses management. Like any other business, you operate on expenses. You spend money maybe paying rent, you spend money catering for transport, airtime, utility bills, and all the rest can all be managed using this software. So this software helps you to manage your expenses as you move throughout the month. When you are running your end of month report, the system will show you how much you have earned, then also the expenses that you have been able to make within your business. Then at the end of the day, you're able to notice whether my business is making profits or my business is making losses, because then we are able to establish for you the profit margins. So other features which we have for the system, we also have mobile money integration. I've already talked about this. Mobile money integration will allow your members to pay you from wherever they are. A member can be having a loan within your business and they want to make a payment. They don't want to necessarily come to your business premises to bring the money. So they can make a payment either using the mobile application, because it is also available for members to download, or they can also maybe use a USSD code to make that payment. And immediately after they make payments, automatically the system sends them a message, automatically the system reconciles, and it also sends them a message showing the current balance that they have within the system. The system also has different types of reports. We have savings reports, we have loans reports, we have accounting reports, stock of income statement, trial balance, balance sheet. All these reports are available and you can be able to access them at any point when you need them. Then also we also have compliance reports. If you're managing maybe a financial years, management of financial years, different quarters, and you want to understand how my business has performed in this second quarter compared to the first quarter, the system can be able to show you all those details. It shows you that in the first quarter, these were your profit margins. Then in the next quarter, this is the current profit margin. So you are able to understand, how did I underperform in this month? What was the problem? Maybe you are not so much aggressive in terms of demanding these clients to make payments. But then also, it also depends on the payment patterns. If members are not bringing in money, then you expect your portfolio at risk to increase. So also that one is also catered within the system. The system can help you to understand your business, how it is operating in terms of performance. We also have other features, for example, like member management, where you're capturing the transactions. If it is a saving, can this system be able to record the saving for a member? Can this system be able to print out receipts and you issue out to your members? Because giving a receipt to a member, it is very important. When a member has made a transaction, especially if it is involving paying for a loan, it is better that you issue them a receipt so that they can always follow up. But then also, we also have messaging module. If a client makes a payment, you can configure the system to send an instant message to this client that, hey, Maurice, your payment of maybe 500,000 has been received and this is your running balance. So it helps to build trust within your institution, but also bridge that relationship between you and the customer. When a client makes a payment, they know that yes, this payment has been received and this is my outstanding balance. So you find that the system has helped you to solve the disputes which have always been arising, where a member claims that they made a payment, but this payment was not actually received, or maybe it was given to someone and the money was not reported at office. So this system can help you to be able to bridge that gap. We also have scenarios where you would want to communicate to your members on a daily, say maybe you want to send them tips, encouraging them to save more within your institution. If it is a SACCO, if it is an institution which accepts savings. Some people also have institutions maybe where they accept savings and they also give out loans. So if you want to always encourage your members on a daily, you can utilize the mobile application notifications. These ones are always free of charge. They are not always charged. So you can configure and you send maybe a message when someone has hit a saving milestone, and then they will be able to receive that notification. So it encourages them to always be transacting within your institution. Then other features, of course, there are reports. When with all these features that I'm talking about, there is a report which is derived within the system. If a member takes a report, maybe a loan, then you expect to have a loan collection report. If someone maybe has defaulted, then you expect to have a loan aging report, a portfolio at risk analysis report. All these reports have been put together for you within this system to help you understand that how is my business performing in terms of profits? Is my business even making the profits? Is the money which I've put in within this business coming back? So if you do not have a system, you find that it is very hard for you to understand even these patterns, the small details that this member is about to default you, that this member is maybe 500 days in arrears. This member is 3 months in arrears from the time of payment. This loan has expired. This one is remaining with 5 days to expire. So you find that it is very hard for you to be able to determine all those aspects if you're still using a book, if you're still using an Excel, if you're still computing these records manually using a calculator. The chances are high that you're going to make mistakes, and if the mistakes are made, it means you're making losses. So SaveNet financial management solution has been designed, or it is designed to help you cure that, or to help you understand your business even more.